guys, welcome back. It is Saturday and I am lining up the fireplace. I'm going to get that finished. I do have to do the brick trim here and I have to put in the fireplace insert, which will go here. And I got to put in the mantle and the legs to the mantle. I'm going to paint those and glue them in first and get that part done. And then I'm finally going to put a link in the description box so you guys know where you can find these. And they come from Ara Bently. It was just phenomenal, guys. You really got to go see her. I don't know why that's... Oh, it's like, I don't know why that's on level. But anyhow, I got to finish painting the fireplace and put that in. And then that, I'm pretty sure I did darken the bricks there. And we have to worry about filling these cabinets. So I think we're going to work on that a bit today. And then I will finish the shell of this room box. And again, like I said, I'll put the description on where you can find these in the description box. That'll take a minute because I'm going to do some cut and pasting. So right now, I'm going to put all of this away because this is all still drying. And overall, this looks pretty good. So from a distance, you can see how that's going to look. And we'll work on... I think what I want to do is I want to try and make one of those stands with the hook on it so you can hang pots and pans on there, but it also comes out. And I'm going to have to find some ideas on that. And then again, like I said, I think if we can make that little fabricate that little piece that swings in and out, I think I get one on both sides, and then build the actual fireplace insert from that book that I showed you guys. We'll work on that today. But the reason for that is if I can get that made and in here, then we can just make this the kitchen where we can put like things like I was telling you before, things to start the fire, candles, pots and pans, that sort of thing on this side. Then over here, we could put like garlics and breads, and we can kind of dress it up that way. And then I still have to figure out what I'm going to put right here above the fireplace. I was thinking maybe a tapestry, or I don't know, a tapestry, maybe a deer head. I had that one that I was going to do a long time ago. But it is Tudor style, so we have to stay in line with the whole Tudor style thing. So I'm going to go with that. And then, of course, you guys know we've got the table. The table comes from Heather Tracy over at Heatherworks. I think that's what she called herself, Heatherworks. Anyhow, she closed down her tutorials and all of that. And so I can't give you that description anymore. But anyhow, if you were a part of her, I subscribed to her for a while, and so I had all the templates, and that's where those comes from. So anyhow, we're going to be working on what to put on the mantle, what to hang above the fireplace, and what to put in these cabinets. And then today I'm actually going to go do some research and look for those fireplace stands that you can swing, like I said, that swing in and swing out like this, and then put a pot on it and some stuff for the table. So I'll be back. Hi guys, and welcome back. If you can believe it, now it's Sunday and I'm still trying to work on this fireplace kit. Time got away from me yesterday in the worst possible way, but I am gluing down the fireplace in the back. And then right now I'm working on the mantle. And sorry about moving the camera around so much. And the pieces that go on the wall. And unfortunately, here it is. I thought I had lost my coverage there, and I haven't. But I did get these painted. And they're ready to go in, but I gotta wait for the floor to dry, and then I gotta work on this piece. And then I'm gonna cover these 4 pieces with the brown paper bag. And then I gotta paint the roof supports and something else. But right now we're gonna work on this. If you can see, right there is a gap. And rather than try to fix it with, what do you call it? Spackle, I'm going to use black 3-dimensional paint. So I'm going to just go along the edge and fill in that gap. Then I'll come back with some brown paint and go over it. So I just want to, like I said, I just want to make that less noticeable. And I know that the shiny stuff will show for now, but once it's dry, like I said, I'll go over it and paint it with flat black. And then touch it up with that brown to age it. But for now we're fixed. And I did do some research on the old-timey stoves. And basically what I think I'm going to do is from the inside here, just make a little hinge and drop a paper clip in it so it comes out and in and out and in. Do one on that side, and then I'll do one on this opposite side. And then I'll drop a pot down from the top, so it will, yeah, it'll all work out. And then like I said though, right now we're just playing it by ear. And I'm not going to do the insides here because they have to fit. So off camera, I'm going to get that done. And I wanted to apologize. I really, really, truly wanted to get farther than this. But like I said, time got away. And I'm still not finished cleaning up. So I got to get a few things done. Like, truly. I've got packages going out this week. I've got basically, you name it, I got it going on. And tomorrow is back to work week for me, and this will be a full week. So, and tomorrow I've got to call my brother. It is his birthday. And I just got a whole list of stuff to get done tomorrow. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just go, whoops, not on that end, not since I tore it. I'm just going to go to the edge here. And that will be the front. So, and I'm just going to glue it to here and to there, because there's a piece that will slide down in here. And then this piece will be to the wall. So basically, I only need to cover one side. The other side won't show. So I'm going to go and get that done. And hopefully I will have this all put together. And if not, then I will finish it hopefully next weekend, because I really want to get started on building stuff for it. Okay, so off camera, I'm going to go ahead and get these covered. And guys, I promise you, we'll be back next week, and the house should be boom, done, built, and we'll start the actual decorations. And then what are we? That will be mid-July. So the first week of August is when I'd like to start working on the cardboard house. So between now and August 1st, if you want to craft along and you want to build this house with me, go ahead and get your cardboard. You can purchase it from the Dollar Tree. They have those science fair boards. You can purchase it from Walmart. They have the medium moving boxes that are $1.28, and they're pretty sturdy. I don't know that you would need to double it. Yeah, if you want, you could do that. So from there, I think we're going to be okay, guys. I feel like we'll be able to get this going. So again, I will start the from scratch house. What you're going to need is a something to cut your cardboard with. I would suggest a metal ruler, and I would get tacky glue. This is my scalpel or X-Acto knife, and then I have heavy duty scissors. So if, like I said, if you're going to craft along, go ahead and get your supplies. We'll make the house about the size of this room box, so probably 18 by 24. It'll have 2 small rooms downstairs and 2 small, however you want to do it, but I'm going to do 2 small rooms downstairs, probably 2 small rooms upstairs, and probably an attic, and in the attic will be the bathroom, master bedroom. So keeping that in mind, we'll get started in here in about 3 weeks, because this is ready to wrap. All right, guys, I want to thank you for joining me, and please like and subscribe. And like I said, I'll take care of this off screen, and I'm going to get this video loaded. I may or may not try to get another video out this week, but for sure on Saturday, the house will be put together. The fireplace will be put in. So if you want this kit, you'll go to Bently House Minis, and I'll put a link to her shop in the description box. And I don't know what she's charging for them. I don't even remember what I paid for mine, but for everything you get and how nice it is definitely well worth the money. So, okay, guys, please like and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.